So over here we will discuss some of the questions that relates radian, degree and circular arcs. Let's see, on a circle of radius 10 meter, how long is an arc that subtends a central angle of 4 pi over 5 radians or 110 degree? So we know that it's a circle and over here this is the arc that subtends the central angle, let's say is theta, and over here we do have the radius. Let's say the arc length is S. So we have the formula over here to find any of the arc length just by using the radius times angle. So we already have the radius and the angle. We will find out the arc. Eight pi. And as we have the radius in meters, we'll write the arc length in also in meters. Okay, so we have done with the first part, but now we do have a part B and the angle is in degrees. But in calculus, we really prefer to convert degrees into radians. Pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. So whenever we need to convert any degrees into radians, we'll just times it by this value. 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 degree. So 110 equal to 110 degrees times by 1 pi over 180 degree. That's equal to 55 pi over 90. So we will use the same formula over here. S is equal to r theta. And it's in radian. The angle that we got, 55 pi over 90. So again, we get the arc length in meters. Let's see another example over here. Its central angle in a circle of radius 8 is subtended by an arc of length 10 pi. Find the angles radian and degree measures. Okay, we need to find the angle. You do have the arc length that is 10 pi and the radius that is 8. Okay. Again, we will use the same formula over here. Just we need to replace some of the terms. 10 pi over 8 and it's equal to that. So we get the angle in radians. We do know whenever we get to any value in pi, that's the angle in radians. But now we have to convert this radian value into the degrees. And what will we do? We know that pi is equal to 180 degree or pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian will be equal to 180 over pi. So simply we times this whole with 180 by pi to get the degrees. cancel the terms, and the answer that we get is 225 degrees. Let's see another example. You want to make 80 degree angle by marking an arc on the perimeter of 12-inch diameter disc. 12-inch diameter discs, and you need to make 80 degrees angle. And drawing lines from the ends of the arc to the disc center to the nearest turn of an inch. How long should be the arc? So now over here, you need to find that arc length. So you know that they have already mentioned the diameter. You need to convert the diameter into and take out the radius from it. You will get the radius, that's 6 inch is the radius. Okay, so we can write it over here. 6 inch is the radius, and we do have the angle theta is in degrees. We need to convert it into radians. Degree to radian. Four pi over 9 is the angle in radians. So now we are done with all the calculation. We can easily find out the arc length. Just times the radius with the angle. And we can write it in inches also. So let's see another example. If you roll a diameter 1 meter diameter wheel forward 30 centimeter over level ground, through what angle will that wheel turn? Answer in radians and the degrees. So they have already mentioned the diameter. From this diameter we will easily get a radius, and they have told the arc length from which it moves on that ground, that is 30 centimeter. So we can easily convert the 1 meter into centimeters, that is 100 centimeter. And we know that diameter is equal to diameter over 2 is equal to radius, and that is 50 centimeter. So we get the radius and the arc length. So by using these two, we can easily take out the angle. Three over 5 is the radian. 3 over 5 radians. Now we have to convert 3 over 5 radians into degrees. We know this thing, that pi radian is equal to 180 degrees, and 1 radian will be equal to 180 over pi. So 3 by 5 radian will be equal to we need to times it by 180 degree over pi. That will approximately equals to 34 degrees. So that's it.